Hello! Today I'm going to talk about duplicate recessive epistasis in dinosaurs. First, I'm going to go over some helpful terms about this concept. Epistasis is when the presence of one gene hides the phenotype of another gene. An epistatic gene is the gene that does the hiding. Hypostatic gene is the gene that is hidden. A duplicate recessive epistasis is when identical phenotypes produced by both homozygous recessive genotypes and a different phenotype is produced if there is at least one dominant allele at each locus. I am a dinosaur, and in my family, I am the one who has blue scales. Both of my parents have gray scales. This is because in dinosaurs, scale color is a duplicate recessive situation where blue is the recessive phenotype. In dinosaur scale color, phenotype is seen due to an interaction between two genes, the A allele gene and the B allele gene. Here you can see my parents have gray scales, and when they cross, 7 out of 16 possible combinations have blue scales, and 9 out of 16 will have gray scales. I have blue scales because I have the allelic combination for the recessive phenotype at one of my gene locus. When you cross different combinations of alleles, you can get different ratios of allelic combinations. Here is an example of two individuals who have dominant alleles in both gene locus, like my parents, with a gray scale phenotype. When you cross them, 9 out of 16 options are gray with both big A and big B. 3 out of 16 are blue with big A allele in the A locus. 3 out of 16 are blue with a big B in the B locus. And 1 out of 16 are blue with neither a big A or a big B. Other crosses can make different phenotypic ratios. Here we crossed a gray individual with a big A, little a, big B, with a blue individual who is little a, big B, little b. 8 out of 16 are gray because they have a big letter in both locus. And 8 out of 16 are blue because they have a big letter in only one locus. In this particular cross, there are no individuals who have only recessive alleles in the B gene and no individuals who are recessive in both genes. The best part about duplicate recessive epistasis is why the phenotypes don't show. There are two enzymes which are made by dominant alleles. Enzyme 1 is made by gene big A, enzyme 2 is made by gene big B. Both enzymes must be present to make the gray phenotype. If any are missing, the gray phenotype is not made. I'm blue because I'm missing a dominant allele or alleles which code for one or both of the enzymes which lead to the gray phenotype. Thank you for watching my video.